Yes, good morning students. How are you? Fine. I am also fine. Yes students, in the previous video what we have studied? We have studied about what are the functions of the food and the source from where we get the food. So some students have done homework and sent to me, but they have sent, for example, potato. Then they have written source is plant source. So today what we will study about potato is which part of the plant, give us this food. Which part we have to study, which part, whether it is a root, whether it is a stem, whether it is a leaf, fruit or flower. So we will study which part of the food we get from which part of the plant. So first we will study about food from root. Which food we get from the root. For example, carrot. You can see here this carrot. Carrot is the root part of the plant. Carrot is the root part of the plant. Any other example can you give me? Yes, students. Any other example? Carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot, sweet potato. I am repeating again. Carrot, radish, turnip, carrot, as you are able to see this carrot. In the same way, radish, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato. These are the examples of roots which store food in the form of starch, and these roots are known as modified root. These roots are known as modified roots. Now second part of the plant is stem. Yes, very good. Second part of the plant is stem. So now I will tell you which stem store food in it. As you are able to see this is a potato, and potato is a stem, and potato grows under the ground, but some students think that it is a root, but it is not a root, it is a stem. Now I will tell you why it is known as a stem. You have studied the parts of the plant. In the parts of the plant, you have studied about node, N-O-D-E, node. Node is the part of the plant from which leaves arises. And on this also you are able to see these scars, and these scars are known as node. It means this is a stem because on the potato these nodes are present, and nodes are present on the stem. That is why this potato is known as a stem. Any other example can you give me? The stem which store food? Yes, turmeric, ginger are the stem which store food in it, and these are known as modified stem. Now we have studied about food from the root and food from the stem. Third part of the plant is leaf. Third part of the plant is leaf. Now we will study about the leaves from which we get food. And leaves, can you give me some examples, students? Yes, very good. Examples, please, examples. Spinach. Yes. Any other leaves which you eat? Mint. Mint is used for making chutney. Dhania is also used for making delicious chutney. It means leaves that we eat are spinach, lettuce, and some more examples you can collect. And next part of the plant is flower. And can you tell me some flowers which you eat? Yes, tell me please. Yes, cauliflower, broccoli, and one more example, banana. Very good, excellent. I have told you there are some flowers which we eat as food, and the examples are cauliflower, broccoli, and banana. Next part of the plant is seed. Yes, as you are able to see here, these are seeds, and these are seeds. Green moong, which you are say green moong. These store food in it, and we take it as a staple food. Staple food. Can you tell me what do you mean by staple food? Staple food means the food which we eat as the main ingredient in our diet. And you know very well, in the breakfast, lunch, dinner, what we eat as the main food. Main food is either chapati or either rice. Chapati is made from the wheat, and rice also, and main food of the our diet. That is why they are known as staple food. So what we have studied today, the food which we get from the main parts of the plant. And now you have to do this homework into your notebook, or you can prepare a worksheet on A4 sheet. How you have to prepare? You have to first write down heading upside, food from plants. Food from plants. And then you have to, in the tabular form, you have to prepare a chart. Food from plants heading, then from one side food from the plants, and then second side food from animals. Food from plants also divided into food from roots, then second food from stem, third food from leaves, fourth food from flowers, and last food from seeds. As some students have purchased this book, you can read the page number 9, 10, 11. In the previous video we have studied, and today we have read about page number 13, 14 and 15. And table, you can see here, table is also on the page number 13, 14 and 15. So this is your homework assignment. You have to prepare a chart on A4 sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.